Let's continue this proposal operator. The final step is creating the Word document. I have watched this Matthew Devaney Word document creation video, and this is quite similar to it. So here I have my Word template. I just used some template, put their stuff, and then with these double curly brackets, I have different kind of stuff I want to have in my offer document. And I first created a separate sub-agent for this creating the presentation, but then I realized that whenever you are handling documents, it's better to do in the main agent, in the one agent, because moving documents back and forth is not so useful. I was trying to use the tool, but then giving too much information to the tool, it didn't go well, so I changed to agent flow. And I have this agent flow already created here. So what I have in this agent flow, I have this, the prompt is quite simple actually. I named it create Word offer, and then the instructions is only based off the data provided, and then let's give the offer data as text. It's this simple. Then we will use chat, and then we want output as document, and the settings, yes, I need to get the document there, so it will use this. It was and now we see all the fields I have there. This is quite simple, this part. Of course, I've been practicing it a bit, and then we save. And when we have okay, yes, and of course when we call to this flow, we need to get the data, and then I ask the file name from the agent as well. And let's give the data there, and then we want to create the file, so we will use SharePoint, and we will put it there where we have the other files as well. So, and here we need the file name. There's the file name, and content we will get from the previous action. And then we want to return the link to the file, and that we get from this create file. Is it the path? Yes, it's the path. Let's save, and then let's fill up a bit this information, and then we are ready to introduce it to the agent. So now what's happening here? What's happening here? So now we can publish it, then we can add it as a tool for the agent, and I decided to put it in the main agent. So workflows here, add and configure, So let's give the similar name and a bit more description where we tell that which data needs to be there. And I think everything else is default settings. Yes. We need to bit format the instructions. So I have reformatted the instructions some bit. Let's copy it. And I will have here now step 6 offer creation, and I'm introducing the tool the same way I introduced the other stuff, agents. Yeah, and when you copy and paste, it doesn't take these so good, so I have to update this. I think that's different. No, it's knowledge sourcing agent. And yes, this is the last one. So then we can save and go test our multi-agent. So yeah, and I've been updating these instructions with M365 Copilot and tested. I will put them in the blog as usual. So I want to publish it, but since we are in this context, I can start here. Let's take a new chat and test how it works. I have RFP. Then I will give it a document. It will go through. It goes to the gets the requirements from the document. Yeah, first it of course uploads the file. So it's in SharePoint. Then it takes the requirements. And then I noticed that I can ask it to do two things at the same time. So I say background and draft solution. And now it calls two sub-agents at the same time. Of course, normally I would discuss with the agent and check what it's doing, but since I just want to demo the offer creation, I just run this through quite quick. Yeah, now it's doing the stuff, and then we want to have estimate and create document. And I forgot to put the name prompt, so I opened the tool and as the file name I told it give the example and format it like this, and then it created me the document and I'm opening it, and ta-da, there is my offer Word document with filled the information. I think this is the most tired video I have done, but I'm still publishing it. Nice to be with me. Thank you. I'm sorry.